This is Stacey, Head of Youth Services at the Goffstown Public Library. I'm here to talk to you about this book, Even Steven, a book about sharing. Now, if you have a child at home that frets about things that are just not even, are not fair, then this is the book for you. It is found in our Growing Up section. You can tell that by the aqua color on the spine label here. But basically, Steven loves to share everything, and he wants everything fair, and he wants everything even. But that works out great with a cookie. But it doesn't work out when you're licking a lollipop and then you want your friend to also lick that same lollipop. No. Or when you're trying to split a nickel in half, that's not going to happen. So in this story, children will learn how sometimes you can share things in half. Sometimes the best way to be even is by taking turns. And sometimes taking turns doesn't always work out. It might be that you need to play together. So I would definitely come in, take a look at this book. It does a great job talking about sharing among kids, and also the illustrations are bright, loud, and super funny. So this is my pick for this week.
Hi, Natalie here. Today we're going to talk about anxiety, everyone's favorite topic. So I'm going to start with this brand new book that I just cataloged called Anxiety Land by Gemma Correll, and this is an adult graphic novel. Normally that is not my cup of tea, but this author seems hilarious. I know a couple of my coworkers follow her on Instagram, and she's really, really funny. So this is her story of like her early growing up and young adulthood and struggles with anxiety and the different coping mechanisms she used. Some were good, some were not so good, but it's really funny and it looks just very relatable. So this will be available for circulation quite soon. And then I've got a more factual book, well, not more factual, but hopefully helpful book about panic attacks called No Time to Panic. How I Curbed My Anxiety and Conquered a Lifetime of Panic Attacks. So this is a very serious subject, but this author approaches it in a very understandable way, relatable way, and it's an important topic. I also like the fact that it's written by a man, and because I think that mental health isn't always talked about enough among men, and so I think it's really important to have those conversations and not shy away from it. And May is Mental Health Awareness Month, so. All right, and next up, lastly, I should say, I have David Sedaris's When You Are Engulfed in Flames, which is often how anxiety feels, like you're engulfed in flames. He is hysterical. I've talked about him before on here. But if you're feeling kind of down or like, nothing in your life is going well, I almost guarantee that something by David Sedaris will make you feel better. This is sort of in the middle of his publications, so like mid-career. It's really funny. They're personal essays about his life and his life with his husband and family. So I think that this would help cure a blue mood for just about anyone. All right, see you next time.
Hello, I am Patti Pennick, and I am your library director here at the Goffstown Public Library. Today I wanted to share some updates regarding our historic window project. There are 3 phases to the project. The first phase being, as many of you should be aware, there's been so much information going on about it. The library was fortunate to receive some LCHIP grant funding to help restore the original windows to the building on the 1st and 2nd floor. That money will come in very handy when that phase of the project begins, which will be in spring of 2027. 2 other phases remain before that actual restoration project. The first is to expose 3 of those historic windows on the 2nd floor of the library, which were covered by a lot of bookcase shelving. And so a carpenter has been working very hard on Sundays when the public is not here in the building to expose those windows and essentially modify the bookcases around them. So the good news is that not only will they be part of the restoration project, of course, but we now have all this wonderful light back in the south room of the library, and I'm very excited about that. So I hope that you can come down and check that out. And then last but not least, we will be having some new storm windows installed over the next couple of months. So more to come about that. But those new storm windows will protect ultimately the restoration project that will occur in spring of 2027. So please come down and check it out.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.